Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Elite English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie. Hello, everyone. It is really nice to be here today. Honestly, a bit emotional, too.
Emotional? That's interesting. Why is that?
Well, today's topic is a personal one for me. I have my coffee ready, though, so I'm prepared.
Of course you do. Strong and black, as always.
You know it, and you have your hot milk situation over there.
Hot milk situation. I like that description. Anyway, today we have a really important topic for you.
Oh, really? What is it?
Motivation. What to do when you feel stuck learning English and when you feel like giving up.
Oh, this one is close to my heart. I've been there.
Me too, actually. But first, before we start,
Yes, our little reminder.
if you're enjoying Elite English Channel, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
It really helps us, and it helps more people find easy, fun English lessons like this one.
Okay, now let's get into it. Today's topic is, don't give up learning English even when it feels hard.
This topic means a lot to me. I remember a time when I almost quit completely.
Really? Tell everyone about that.
So, a few years ago, I was learning a new language, not English actually, a different one, and I studied every day for months. But then one day, I just felt stuck. Nothing was improving.
What do you mean by stuck?
I felt like I wasn't getting any better, even though I was still studying. I understood the same amount as before. It was frustrating.
I see. That's actually a very common feeling. It even has a name, a plateau.
Wait, a plateau, like a flat area of land?
Exactly. In learning, a plateau means a period where you stop improving even though you keep practicing. It feels flat, just like the land.
Oh, I see. That makes so much sense. I felt exactly like that. Flat, stuck, not moving forward.
And that feeling happens to almost everyone who learns a language, including me.
Really? You too?
Yes, actually. When I was learning Spanish years ago, I hit a big plateau around month 4. I could understand basic things, but complex conversations still felt impossible.
What did you do?
Honestly, I almost stopped. I remember thinking, maybe this just isn't for me.
Gasp. Really? I didn't know that. You always seem so confident.
Not back then. I felt really discouraged. But something changed my mind.
What was it?
My teacher told me something simple but powerful. Progress isn't always visible day to day, but it's still happening underneath. That really stuck with me.
Wow, that's beautiful. So even when it feels like nothing is happening, something actually is?
Exactly. Learning a language is like planting a seed. You water it every day, but you don't see it grow immediately. Then one day, suddenly, there's a small plant.
That reminds me of my dog, Max. When I first started training him, nothing seemed to work for weeks. Then one day, suddenly, he understood sit.
See? Same principle. Learning takes time beneath the surface.
This happens to all of us, feeling like we're not improving even when we actually are.
Exactly, and that's why we wanted to talk about this today. So let's talk about a few reasons people feel like giving up and what actually helps.
I love this plan. What's reason number 1?
Reason 1, comparing yourself to others. This is huge.
Oh, I know this one very well. I used to compare myself to my friend who learned English so fast.
What happened with that?
He seemed to understand everything so quickly, and I felt so behind. It made me want to quit completely.
That's such a common experience. But here's the truth. Everyone learns at a different speed, and that's completely normal.
Right, we all have different backgrounds, different amounts of free time, different learning styles.
Exactly. Comparing yourself to someone else is like comparing a cat to a dog. Speaking of which, how's Luna doing, by the way?
Nice transition. Is Luna still ignoring you most of the day?
Completely. She only comes to me when she wants food. Very typical cat behavior.
At least Max is always happy to see me, even after I burn dinner.
Speaking of burning dinner, that's a whole different topic.
Let's not go there today. Okay, so reason 1 is comparing yourself to others. If you are still listening, comment the word motivation in the comments below.
Yes, let us know you're learning with us today and that you're still here, still trying.
So what's reason number 2?
Reason 2, expecting perfection. A lot of learners feel like every sentence must be perfect before they speak.
Oh, this is definitely me. I used to practice sentences in my head for minutes before saying anything out loud.
And what happened?
By the time I felt ready, the conversation had already moved on. So frustrating.
That's such a relatable story. So many learners feel afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, exactly. I was so scared people would judge me for small grammar errors.
But here's something important. Mistakes are actually proof that you're trying. No mistakes usually means no progress.
Wait, so mistakes are actually a good sign?
In a way, yes. Every mistake shows you're pushing yourself outside your comfort zone.
I never thought about it that way. That's actually really encouraging.
Many of you probably feel this too, afraid to speak because it might not be perfect. But perfect English doesn't exist, even for native speakers.
True. I make mistakes in my own language sometimes too.
We all do. So don't wait for perfect. Speak now and improve along the way.
I love that. Okay, so we have comparing yourself to others and expecting perfection. What else?
Reason 3, not seeing quick results. This connects back to the plateau we talked about earlier.
Right, when progress feels invisible.
Exactly. A lot of people quit right before they're about to break through the plateau, simply because they can't see the progress yet.
That's actually kind of sad when you think about it. So close, but they stop.
It really is. So how do we deal with that feeling?
I think tracking small wins helps a lot, right?
Exactly. Instead of thinking about how far you have to go, think about how far you've already come.
That reminds me of something. When I started learning, I couldn't understand simple movies at all. Now I can understand most conversations, even with some slang.
See? That's huge progress, even if it happens slowly.
I never really thought about it that way before. It feels good to say it out loud, actually.
It really does. Everyone listening, think about something you understand now that you didn't understand a year ago. That's real proof of progress.
I love that idea. So what's next?
Let's talk about reason 4, motivation running out over time. In the beginning, everyone feels excited, but that excitement can fade.
Oh, this happens to me constantly. I start strong, then after 2 weeks, I just stop.
Very honest, James.
I'm keeping it real today. So what helps with that?
One big tip, connect English to something you actually enjoy, not just textbooks and grammar rules.
What do you mean exactly?
For example, if you love football, watch football interviews in English. If you love cooking, watch cooking videos in English.
Oh, that's smart. That way, learning doesn't feel like a boring task.
Exactly. It becomes part of something you already love doing.
I actually started watching football highlights in English last year, and I didn't even realize how much vocabulary I was learning.
See, that's a perfect real example.
So we have comparing ourselves to others, expecting perfection, not seeing quick results, and motivation fading over time. What else?
Let's do a small role play here, actually. Something a little different today.
Ooh, I like that idea. What kind of role play?
Let's imagine a conversation between a learner who wants to quit and a supportive friend. I'll be the friend, you be the learner.
Perfect. That's basically real life for me anyway.
Okay, here we go.
Honestly, I think I'm going to stop learning English. I'm just not improving.
Wait, really? Why do you feel that way?
I've been studying for months and I still make so many mistakes. It's exhausting.
I understand that feeling completely, but can I ask you something? Do you understand more now than when you started?
I mean, yes, actually, a lot more.
See? That's real progress, even if it doesn't feel fast enough right now.
I guess you're right. It's just hard to see it sometimes.
That's completely normal. Progress in language learning isn't a straight line. It goes up and down.
Up and down. That actually makes me feel a lot better.
It should. Every learner goes through this. The people who succeed aren't the ones who never struggle, they're the ones who keep going anyway.
That's really encouraging, thank you.
Of course. And hey, don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20.
Wow, that's a good line. I like that.
Thanks. I actually heard that somewhere and never forgot it.
That was such a nice role play. Honestly, it felt like real advice, not just practice.
That's because it kind of was. I really believe every word of that.
Me too, honestly. Okay, so let's bring everything together now. What do we tell our listeners who feel stuck right now listening to this?
I would say your feelings are valid, but don't let them stop you completely. Take a short break if you need one, but come back.
And remember, small steps still count. Even 5 minutes of practice is better than nothing.
Exactly. And most importantly, you're not alone in this. Every single person learning a language has felt exactly like you feel right now.
Including us. We've both been there, even though we speak English fluently now.
Absolutely true. So we have comparing yourself to others, expecting perfection, not seeing quick results, motivation fading, and finally, remembering you're not alone. That's a lot of ground covered today.
It really is, but such an important episode.
I completely agree. Okay, let's do a quick review before we go. So we talked about the plateau first, that flat period where progress feels invisible, even though it's still happening.
Yes, and comparing yourself to others usually makes things feel worse, not better.
Exactly. Then we talked about expecting perfection and how mistakes actually show you're improving.
And don't forget tracking small wins to see how far you've actually come.
Right. And finally, connecting English to things you enjoy so motivation doesn't fade so easily.
A perfect summary. I think our listeners needed to hear this today, honestly.
I think so too. Learning a language is a journey, not a race, and it's okay to go slowly sometimes.
It really is. And if you feel stuck today, just know this feeling won't last forever.
So true. Keep going, even a little bit at a time.
Definitely. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you for spending this time with us. This episode meant a lot to record, honestly.
It really did. Don't forget to subscribe to Elite English channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who might need this message today.
It really helps us, and honestly, it might help someone else keep going too.
And here's our question for you today. Tell us in the comments, what keeps you motivated to keep learning English even on hard days?
We love reading your answers, so don't be shy.
Thank you again, everyone. This was James
And Sophie.
from Elite English channel. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep going. We believe in you.